everybody, this is Ty Green, or Tyler, or however you want to call me, and I'm back with my very, very clicky keyboard. I still apologize again. I know I apologized previous episode, but I just need to make it clear that I'm super duper sorry about the keyboard. So, I guess I'll go to my 1.8 world. I am playing in the snapshot 14W08A. I am not playing in 1.7.5. So yeah. It's been a while. Yeah, 4 diamonds off that. What is with my sound? Oh yeah, I'm especially good. There. You can hear it. Not 4 diamonds already. It's not because of that. Because of this. So yeah, it's my basic shack. I don't have too much done. Where's my iron pick so low? And I'm gonna try and find lava. To make an incinerator. Yoink. First, I think I should show you around this little hidey cave for right now. This is my cave. Right. Yeah, I spawned way over there in a taiga biome. And now I'm back here. Well, I don't even remember what my spawn is. It's some. That's all you need to know. It's some. Yeah. Spruce trees. I have a swamp right next to me, so possible witch farm. Yeah, this is a regular cave. I haven't really decided where I'm gonna permanently stay. One step closer. Yikes. Piece of wood. I need wood. Oh wait. Yeah, thought I'd change it up. Never mind. Hey, hey, I'm gonna do 1.7.6. 1.6 is already gone. Yeah. I'm just gonna do some wood chopping, get more wood, and do a little bit of digging, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I just have a very, very quick question. I'm having trouble finding... Well, this is a very quick statement. I am having trouble finding a nether fortress in my nether. So, is there any special technique that you guys know? And that you know, it's like, hey, this works all the time, every time, not with just a specific world. If you do, please tell me. I am desperate. I'm searching around forever. So please, just give me information and I'll greatly appreciate it. So yeah, just wanted to ask you that, and I'll be right back after I completed everything. Okay, just a little progress update. I found a cave and I've been doing some mining. Yeah, sorry about not telling you. I blame Monster Cat for their ultra awesome mixes. Hint. But yeah, seriously, they make very good dubstep techno music mixes. So if you're into that, go watch them. But Yeah, a little update on what I was doing with Mr. Clicky, the keyboard of Clicky Deafness. Yeah. I guess I'll catch up after show you what I get after all this. In a little while, again. Well, sorry about the screen. I had to go down to my taskbar, but look at this. It's just the wonders of Minecraft right here. Yeah, that's what I got so far. Just a little sneak peek, and boop, no more sneak peek. No, no more peeking you. No more peeking for you. But yeah. It's just about to go out, so when this breaks, I'll go back and, yeah, notify you guys. Also, I did get my lava bucket. Well, half of it, anyway. But yeah, see you at my base. Well, hello, hello, as you can see. Lava bucket. I have the rest of it now. I found it. So yeah, I got that much redstone, some coal, that much gold, and about 45 iron. Yeah, I would say it was quite productive. Yeah, this is all nice and organized. You're like, wait, what? Why is he using a wood pick? Why? That is forbidden. Yeah, I think they made items have a lot more quote-unquote health, because I throw an item in, it bounces around 3 or 4 times, it bounces out, and then you're like, oh, it's okay. Well, burn. No, you pick it up. No jinx, solve it. Not there. See? This is around a lot. It doesn't die. Yeah, I am playing on peaceful until I have some sort of constant food source. Oh yeah, I guess I could go and go to another. Get some obsidian. I wonder where I can get me some waters. Oh, I don't know. I just have this sneaky suspicion that there's water somewhere. I don't know where. Somewhere. Oh look! Whoa! Man, that was like super hard to find. Luckily it was near my house. What if I actually had to go out and do something? Man, that would have been catastrophic. We actually go out and do something. But yeah, I'll catch up to you when going through the nether portal, because you've all seen hundreds of people mine obsidian. It's quite boring. And if you're new here, I'm sorry. Can't share their experience. But yeah, BRB, as the kids say. So, okay, I got the obsidian. Hopefully I got some. Oh, I was pulling it close. One flank. One flank. So yeah, I don't know where to look at this. Sorry for not planning ahead. Oh yeah, I need to go this way. 4 is going to be used for enchanting table. Yes, I do know how to craft them. It's shocking right now. I feel like I should put it here. This is diagonal. Just dang it, diagonal. Maybe on top of my hill. Yeah, I'll just put it on top. I'll go up there from the tree phone. Hold on, I'll come back and I have to position and whatnot. Voila, it is made.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Older brother business. Older to younger. I'm younger. So yeah. Let's do this. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. We need to go deeper. Hopefully I actually spawn next to another fortress. Or in the vicinity of another fortress. That'd be so nice, but you know, it's Minecraft, and you know how Minecraft just loves to put you far away if you can from important objectives. Chunks. Load. 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 I'm in a cave, dang it. Oh, wait, no. Load. Please. Get me out. Another core has to be done now. Chock full experience. Deja vu. Happened to me before, and what am I? Other worlds on my Mac. Yes, back in those days. Oh wait, there's still hope. The nether. It has netherrack that's basically you can mine with a fist, but yet you have to have like at least like an iron pick to break it. Logic. Look at all this. And get that glowstone over there. If I do find another fortress, would be very unlikely. That pop is just so satisfying. It's like, ooh, there's fire in here. Please lead out. Please lead out into the... I hate you. Boink. For you new players out there, which I know, yeah, there are actually some people who build this. No water in the nether. Can't place it. Because it just evaporates. Because you know it's nether and it's laggy. It's crap. I know I'm placing out torches. Of course, that it. Am I seriously stuck in a stupid netherrack cave? Please lead out and let me see another fortress. Okay. Oh, that's promising over there. A little space right there. Of course, as soon as I go near it, it'll load the netherrack.